What's up, guys? Today I'm playing some more Creative Destruction, and guess what, guys? Just guess what? There's a new gun. It's called the Power. I think the Power what? Rifle. Yeah, it's called the Power Rifle. So I'm gonna try to get it and see how good it is. Hopefully, we'll get more than 8 kills with it. Nah, not with it, but 8 kills. You got it. You will. Haha. Froggy. I like that frog hat for a reason. I don't know why. It looks dwarfy, but I still like it. What? No, I didn't mean to touch that. No. Dang it. Sorry, guys. So. I just fix my custom build. No. It's off. Okay. That's one. That's two. Fine. No. Got it. Let's see how I do. I got much better in the game. What? What just happened? Don't break mine. I'm just gonna try. Oh my god. Imagine. Wait, there's a weapon here. So, let's get on to the max, guys. I just woke up from bed, so I am kind of tired. First game of the day. First game of the day, let's land to Sunset. No. Yeah, let's land to Sunset Manor. So we're going there. Oh my god. I can't believe. I think the new gun's gonna be pretty good. I mean, I did miss out few like, it's been here for like, I think 5 days or 4 days, but I still haven't got it. It's pretty hard to find. So let me go to this gigantic house. It looks like a mansion. I guess it's a mansion, but probably not at the same time. I'm pretty sure someone has to land here, like at least one. It is kind of like a popular place, I guess. Not really. I love these. Please, give me a gun. Give me a gun. Wait a sec. I just came to one of the biggest houses, and I found just a pistol. Are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me? Found a chest. Probably gonna find 1 star at least. A DTR. Finally something good. Wait, is there 2 chests? I feel like there is 2. Just feel it. Well, at least it gave me something good. Now I have better loot than last time. But not what I wanted. I wanted a star. I know. I don't always get what I want. After I get the star, I shouldn't really rush right now, but I'm gonna start going. I love revolvers. Now I'm gonna just do this. Oh, do this in this game. I like this game better because in Fortnite, look, I break the wall, but the chest is still here. Fortnite. So, wait, guys, I need to do something. I need to go. So guys, I'm back. I'm sorry it did take a while. But, so what I was saying, I got this done from the chest. Well, let me see if I get something else. Does it hate this one? Nah, I like Froggy. Froggy. So let's get on. Stole it. Wait, there's actually no one here? Wow. I'm gonna go to that tower right now. I can't believe there was no one here that day. Not like a single person. Let me get this pistol. I liked it. For this. I hate those guns. They have the worst accuracy I ever seen in my life. I'm not kidding. If you think I'm kidding, you're wrong. I'm not kidding. They have the worst accuracy of all. Trust me. Oh! Guys, the new gun! The power rifle! I got the new gun! Oh, who's rocking now? I like medkits. Even though I have bandages, I like to have them. This is the new gun, guys. Let's see how good it is. Let's just go to the storm right now, get some kills. I'm not going to that tower, I just got it already. I was trying to go to that tower to find one, but I already got it. I know you guys are like, get more loot. I don't really need it. Or do I? That's the real question. We'll see how good this gun is. I never played with this gun, guys. The new gun is here to dominate. Is that a blue one? Okay. Shotgun. Dang it. What did I just do? The power rifle is supposed to be gold and purple, I guess. Yes, I think so. Because it's so rare. Let's see if it's like really good at the game. Because if it is, I'm gonna always use it. Hopefully I'll find it. Can't believe I put my trap there and sensed it. Because like no one's there. Wait, maybe someone's in back. I don't know. Maybe someone was here. And then they come to sunset and they're dead. But I have a chance now. I have like the 90% chance of not doing that. Which is sad and upsetting. Let's get some kills. Oh, remember I said I need to get at least 8 kills. Please give me that 8 kills. That person no. Guys, I have so many star coins right now. I want to get even more and get like all the skins I want. And there was one right there. What did he build up there? I bet that took him like all his maps. Look at that. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Pixelay. You can go check his channel. He plays this game too. Go check it out. He's not better than me, but yeah, I just want to shout out him. Oh, someone. Let's see how good this gun is. 6, 7? Wait a sec. I thought this gun was like gonna do 1000 or something. I mean, not 1000, but that's too much. But let's see if we're close, how much it does. Oh, it does more damage when we're close. I get it. Kind of like a shotgun. Revolver. Boom. Boom. You know what? I'll finish you. I'll finish you. Oh my god, I'm so white. This gun's kind of trash. Kinda. I don't want to say that trash because it did do a 55 on her, but it only does it in close range. Wow. What happened? Oh my god. Okay guys, this is not my favorite gun. I thought it would be so much better. Let's just kill this guy with it, at least. Where are you going? Where the heck are you going? Oh my god, don't let it. See, guys. I killed him. I killed him. I'm gonna fight. I thought someone shooting at me. Oh, finally. Oh, I'm saved. Bye, Froggy. Guys, I've got a better gun. This is my favorite gun of all. Better than the Star. I like this gun better than the Star. The AK whatever, AK-47. Yeah, I like it better than the Star, guys. You won't see me. Oh, that was so close. Let me heal up. Oh my god, guys. I meant to do mech kit, but I guess bandages don't hurt. Hey, 2 health can save me. You'll regret it. Whoa, he had an RPG. Yeah, I like that gun. I like this shit. Oh my god, he has so many good stuff. There's that plasma gun. I'm gonna trade the plasma gun for my revolver. Let's go. Who wants to fight now? Who wants to fight now? Who wants to fight now? I like this. When I go into the zone, I'm gonna put one. It's gonna show like, it's gonna be like I have 2 of me. I got 3 kills, guys. None of them was with that gun, I guess. How did this happen to me? But hopefully I'm gonna go for a win. I thought it would do like a lot more damage than it did right now. And I thought it would like shock someone and like the person would be like let me like recoil. It's gonna not recoil like to myself, but oh my gosh, someone's shooting. What the heck? Why are you shooting at me? Why are you shooting at me? You're just wasting my bandages. Thank you for that. Okay, I'm just gonna shoot a rocket. Better one. What the heck? It's not moving. Did I do damage on him? You're dead. What the? Please. Oh my god. I need a heal. I need a heal. Oh my god. Guys, I need to go. Oh my god, guys. That was the most intense battle of all time. Oh, my heart is so beating right now. My heart, it's beating. God. What the heck? I meant to. Don't touch me. What the? No! Oh my god. Oh my god. I eliminated 5. The damage 800. Built 48. Oh my god. 18 players left. That was close, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, hopefully. But I want to say, that gun is trash. I thought it would be way better. I mean, it isn't the worst gun, but it's not the best too. So, peace.